How to transfer contacts from one Android to another. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way on how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to transfer contacts from one Android to another, it's very simple. Just open up your default contacts application and tap on the three dot option over here. Go to the option called Manage Contacts, and what you want to do is tap on Sync Contacts. You want to make sure to log into your Google account from the account which you want to send the contact to, and you want to make sure to turn on Sync. When you turn on Sync, all of the contacts are going to be synced across all of your accounts which you've added. Now what you want to do is on your another Android phone, you just have to log into this same email address, and all of your contacts is just going to be automatically loaded in that way. This is one of the first ways to do it. The other way you can do is through the default import export feature, or else you could tap on Move Contacts button over here and select from where you want to move contacts, such as phone, SIM1, SIM2 or any of this, and you can simply select one of your devices over here and you can select all contacts that you want to move. And when you select all contacts, tap on the Done button. You have to select where to move these contacts to. You can select another phone, another SIM or another SIM card in order to go ahead and export those contacts. You can also use the import export buttons such as import or export, just like that. This is how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android without any third-party apps, because nowadays all of the Android phones supports this feature. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.